The BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, are exploring a common currency. This ambitious idea aims to challenge the dominance of the US dollar in international trade. It could involve a basket of their existing currencies. It might also be partially backed by gold. The proposal has gained significant attention. It signals a potential shift in the global economic order. The idea is still in its early stages. However, the implications are far-reaching. A BRICS currency could reshape global trade patterns. It could diminish the role of the US dollar. This has led to intense debate and speculation. Some experts believe it could usher in a multipolar currency system. Others are more skeptical. They point to the numerous challenges. These include economic disparities and political differences among the BRICS nations. The potential impact on the global financial system is also a subject of much discussion. The outcome remains uncertain. The potential for a BRICS currency is undeniable. It reflects the growing economic clout of these emerging economies. It also underscores their desire for greater financial independence. The coming years will be crucial in determining the viability of this ambitious project. It has the potential to redefine the global financial landscape. Several factors are driving the push for a BRICS currency. One key motivation is de-dollarization. BRICS nations aim to reduce their reliance on the US dollar. This is particularly relevant for Russia. It faces ongoing sanctions from the West. Another driver is economic cooperation. A common currency could facilitate trade and investment within the BRICS bloc. This would reduce transaction costs and exchange rate risks. It would also promote economic integration among member countries. The geopolitical landscape is also shifting. The BRICS nations are asserting their growing influence on the world stage. They seek to challenge the existing Western-dominated financial order. A common currency would be a powerful symbol of this shift. The motivation to counter US sanctions cannot be ignored. The use of the US dollar as a weapon has raised concerns among many countries. The BRICS initiative can be seen as a way to mitigate this risk. It would provide an alternative to the existing system. The potential impacts of a BRICS currency are significant. It could gradually reduce demand for the US dollar in international trade. This could affect the value of the dollar and its role as the world's reserve currency. It remains to be seen how significant this impact would be. The introduction of a new reserve currency could also affect global currency reserves. Central banks currently hold large reserves of US dollars. They may diversify their holdings. They might include a BRICS currency as part of their reserves. This would further diminish the dominance of the dollar. The BRICS nations also aim to increase their influence in global markets. A common currency could give them greater leverage in trade negotiations. It could also enhance their role in international financial institutions. This could lead to a more multipolar world order. However, it is important to note that the transition would be gradual. The US dollar is deeply entrenched in the global financial system. It will not be easily displaced. The impact of a BRICS currency will depend on its adoption rate and the response of other countries. Despite the potential benefits, significant challenges remain. The economic diversity within the BRICS bloc is a major hurdle. Member countries have vastly different economic structures, sizes, and levels of development. Coordinating monetary policy among them would be complex. Political differences also pose a challenge. The BRICS nations have diverse political systems and foreign policy goals. Reaching a consensus on key aspects of the currency union would be difficult. Building trust and ensuring long-term commitment would be essential. Another challenge is establishing a credible monetary framework. The new currency would need to be stable and trustworthy to gain international acceptance. This would require sound monetary policy, robust financial institutions, and effective regulatory mechanisms. Despite these challenges, the BRICS nations are taking concrete steps. They are exploring digital currency solutions and blockchain technology. This could facilitate cross-border transactions and reduce reliance on traditional financial systems. The future of a BRICS currency remains uncertain. However, the initiative reflects a broader shift in the global balance of power. It underscores the growing influence of emerging economies.